Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Jayden just turned 1 year old. I cannot believe how fast the time went by. Today's video is going to be partial birthday vlog on how I decorated and celebrated Jayden's birthday with both USA and Chinese culture traditions. Also, it's going to be partial DIY tutorial on how I created the Wild One themed birthday party and photo shoot by using what I already have in my house, backyard, and what I purchased from Dollar Tree and Wish. Without further ado, let's start the video. So the first thing I did was I went into my backyard and I picked up a couple of branches that fell off from the tree. And then I got an Amazon box. You can use any random box. It doesn't have to be Amazon. Just any shipping box that you receive. Could be Target, Walmart, anything. Alright, so I started using cardboard to draw out the letters wild. Now I know that I just need a really simple W-I-L-D, and that's what I did. And then after I'm done, I can just throw the rest of the carton out. Now the most important part comes. You need to cut the branches up to a certain sizes that fits your letters. So you can do this any way you want. I just did it however I felt like it. It's really no order in it. And then I only did it on 2 letters because it is really time consuming. So with the branches, I only did on the I and the D, and it turned out pretty cool. I just used glue gun to glue the branches onto the cardboard letters, and it just looked very, very wild one. And then for the W and the L, I bought the Dollar Tree moss. And all you have to do is just take them out and glue them onto the letters. That's it. And then I also bought a couple of garlands and then cut the sleeve out. And then I would just kind of, place it randomly on the letters just to make it look wild. Look how great that turned out. And with the rest of the branches, I used to create the number 1. This is going to be my cake topper. I just used whatever yarn that I had extra, and I found the more earth tone dark brown yarn. You want to use anything earth tone, nothing pink, blue, yellow. That'd be kind of odd. So I just tied the branches together and then glued them together, and that was done. And then it was time to decorate it, the birthday room. I used this Cactus Tapestry that I bought on Amazon, and then some soft lights on the wall. It just made my ugly window look much more prettier. I am going to keep this on even after his birthday. It is so cute. And then I got these birthday balloons from wish.com. It was $3. I highly recommend ordering this from Wish because the other places are much more expensive. And then I just used a hand pump to pump it up. My husband wrote this on this IKEA blackboard, and then we just put the Dollar Tree garland on it. Oh, this was beautiful. I absolutely loved it. And then with that wall light and the cactus tapestry, oh, I loved it. Of course, the balloons are up, the letters are up, and then I'm just waiting to poke that into the cake. I got this ice cream cake at Dairy Queen. It was melting because it was so hot in California. So yes, don't get ice cream cake if it's really hot. So here comes the Chinese tradition part. We're trying to get Jayden dressed for this tradition. This tradition is called Zhazhou. This is what almost all the parents do in Taiwan, China. When their kid turns 1 year old, what they do is they place a variety of items in front of him so he can choose one. Now we dress him up because it's good fortune. It's good for him. But it's more like picking out his future career, if you want to put it that way. He will supposedly crawl and then grab one thing that he really likes, and that thing will represent a meaning, and it'll tell us that what he wants to be, what he will be in the future. So it's kind of like a fortune telling of what your child will be when they grow up. Of course, Jayden, he kind of went back and forth and was afraid to grab the things. And then when he finally did, He got scared because everyone was clapping. Oh, I felt so bad. So the book says the person who picks the spoon is going to be big in the future. It says spoons are utensils for eating. The person who picks it is gonna be loving food, loving cooking in the future, and that they're also called the spoon holder. Now, in the future, he could be a food critic, chef, or a leader because leaders are called spoon holder in Chinese. Kind of cool, huh?
You like it? You like it, 对不对？我怎么觉得他蛮酷的？哦，没有。That is so cool.
1, 2, 3.
Jayden，你等一下就可以玩了耶。就是人家很棒哦。
And Jayden opened all the gifts that was given to him. He loved every single one of them. I was very thankful for all my friends and family who came and celebrated Jayden's first birthday with us. We had so much fun. And of course, Jayden had the most fun because he got all these gifts. Happy birthday to you. On the night of his birthday, I baked a cake for him.
我们要许什么愿？要不要唱歌？我们要许愿，来，我们要许愿。希望Jayden平平安安、健健康康的长大，长成小帅哥、大帅哥，好不好？咻咻咻！那我们切蜡烛喽。唱完歌了吗？我们唱完歌了吗？我们一起来，再唱一次来。
Then we cut up a cake so everyone could have a piece, and we left the rest for him to have fun with. I was hoping he could smash it, play with it, whatever he wanted. I was fine with the mess. But all Jayden did was pick up those strawberries, pick up the bananas, pick up small parts of cake and start eating it. So yeah, until this day we still have the rest of the cake in the fridge because he did not smash it up. But we had so much fun eating with him. It was such a beautiful birthday. I literally recommend no ice cream cake for the first birthday because it was melting away and we didn't really have time to take photos. That was really bad idea of me. Alright, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed all these fun sharing DIY tutorials. And Jayden is growing up to be a toddler so soon. I use all these DIY letters and the wooden slabs, put some blackboard sticker on it, and then we took photos in our backyard. It turned out perfectly. He started picking those letter up, playing with it, but it was fine. He's the wild one. He can do whatever he wants. Alright, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you want to see more of me and Jayden's update on traveling, DIY tutorials, cleaning videos, baby knowledge sharing, don't forget to click on subscribe button. I will also link below on all the things that I got for his birthday decoration and photo shoot. For example, this Y1 t-shirt was only $2 and that crown hat was only $2 also. You have got to get these. They're so cheap and they were really good quality also. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to click on thumbs up. I will see you next time. Bye!